Hi, superstars. Okay, so today I'll be sharing with you updates on palm oil business in Nigeria and palm oil storage business in Nigeria. I'll be sharing with you the latest trends, including what's happening in palm oil business in Nigeria as at today. Okay, so a lot has been going on in palm oil business. By now, my superstars, I believe that those of you who stored your palm oil last year would have sold out because right now, palm oil is recording a gradual drop in price. Okay, so many people are still doing preparations ahead of palm oil storage season. Those who wanted to store palm oil this year, they are making serious preparations ahead of palm oil storage season. So, my superstars, if you're sitting on the fence, sitting and waiting till go before you start your preparations, you are wrong. Now is the time to start setting things in place, doing preparations ahead of palm oil storage season. Alright, my superstars. So today I'll be sharing with you what's going on and what things people are doing in preparation for palm oil storage season. Okay, my superstars. So happy new year once again for those of you who have not met me this year. This is another happy new year I'm releasing to every one of you. I want to appreciate every one of you, my superstars, for last year. You made it wonderful. It was amazing because of you. And for those of you who made it wonderful, made it amazing, I want to say a big thank you. All right, a few days ago, we had our first live session for the year, and I outlined a lot of things we had planned out. And also, I also welcome suggestions from a lot of people. So many people gave their suggestions that they would love to see more of content regarding food and all that. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What type of content would you love to see this year? This is a new year and yeah, I have great plans, but I want to carry every one of you along because I do not create content for myself. I create content for you. So I have you in mind. What would you love to see this year on this channel? What type of content would you love me to create? Please let me know in the comment section. Okay, my superstars. All right. So now we're talking about palm oil, right? So like I said, lots of people are doing preparations ahead of palm oil storage season. So many people have gotten their jerry cans. So many people have set up their store. So many people are preparing, waiting for when palm oil price will drop. Yes, the secret to making money in palm oil business is knowing the right time to buy. Buying when the price is low and selling when the price is high. So many people are sitting like watchdogs, watching and waiting for when the price will go low so they can buy and store. Some people have bought their jerry cans, and as at today in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, the price of empty jerry cans still goes for 4,700 naira. Okay, I don't know what the price will be tomorrow or next because, like I said, as you gradually cycle into the season of palm oil, when palm oil drops, the price of jerry cans increase. Why? Because there's an increase in demand. As demand increases, the price increases. So for now, the price of empty jerry cans is still 4,700 naira for those who are interested in buying for palm oil storage. I had also mentioned that for those who would love me to buy palm oil from Akwa Ibom State and send it to their location, it is best to buy jerry cans from here. Okay, to reduce cost of transportation, transporting empty jerry cans from your location to my location. And for those who had empty jerry cans already, you can send it to my location. Yes, you can send your empty jerry cans to my location and then I'll help you fill it with palm oil and return it to you in your location. All right. And for those who had asked me, ID, do you keep palm oil for people? Do you store palm oil for people? No, my superstars. I do not store palm oil for people. All I do is help people buy their palm oil in whenever they want it and then send it to them in their location so they can store it. So you need a storage area or a storage facility where you will store your palm oil. All right, my superstars. Okay, I'll tell you everything you need to know in order to ensure that the palm oil is okay, and then you store it yourself. All right, that is how I do it. Okay, because right now I do not have a storage facility where I store palm oil for people, do not have a place where I hold palm oil for people. So, in order to help, I help people get the best quality of palm oil and then send it to them in their location. Okay, you know, there's this type of peace you have when you know that your product is with you. You sleep, you wake up, you see your palm oil, you sleep, you wake up, you see your palm oil, okay? You know it is safe, all right? And you get to enjoy all the profits. People who store palm oil for people, they take a percentage, okay? So it will sort of reduce your profit after storage. So in order to have 100% and have the best of everything, it is best you store it by yourself. And when it's time for sales, you sell it and you get your money complete. All right, my superstars. So that brings us to palm oil. Palm oil this year has been amazing. By now, so many people have sold out their stored palm oil, and the price of palm oil is gradually dropping. Did you know how much palm oil will be stored this year? I don't know. There is never a stipulated price range or price benchmark that palm oil is stored every year. All you need to do is to prepare, and once you hear that the price has dropped to a certain level, you go ahead and buy and store. As much as possible, I'll keep every one of you notified on the price of palm oil so it can enable you to take informed decisions on the price of palm oil and also know when to buy and store. I'll also tell you my thoughts. Okay, I'll share my thoughts. Okay, but it doesn't mean that it's final. Okay, I'll share my thoughts that will guide you on decisions to take regarding palm oil. All right, my superstars. So that brings me to the price of palm oil. The price of palm oil as at today is 47,000 naira for freshly milled palm oil. Okay, so storage palm oil for those who are selling late has its price, but freshly milled palm oil is 47,000 naira as at today in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Right, so if you need it, you can reach out and then I'll help you get it and send it to you in your location. Some people, for people, lots of people are buying palm oil for consumption, for different purposes. So if you need, you can reach out to me and get it. Okay, my superstars. All right, logistics depends on your location and your choice of transportation. We have different modes of transportation and they have different prices. Okay, my superstars. All right. So this year, I trust that this year will be an amazing palm oil year for as many as want to store palm oil. Okay, I'll try as much as possible to give you updates on what's happening so my superstars don't miss any video. Okay, so you know what's happening and know when to swing into action. Okay, my superstars. All right, thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you. My superstars, please do well to leave a like. Okay, please like this video as this encourages me to know that you love this kind of content. Okay, and then it encourages me to bring it more and more. If I don't see the like, it means you don't like it and probably I'm boring you. Okay, so I will make contents like this. So once I see a like and maybe a comment, okay, it encourages me to bring contents like this to you. All right, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.